Recently, while I was teaching kettlebell training, I realized that there's a couple tricks that I haven't shared with anybody on how to make the windmill an even more perfect exercise. This is a very common problem I see with windmills, and it's really easily rectified. Okay, everything looks good. Feet are turned out, and then I see this. Okay, that's not exactly what we're after in terms of a windmill. Now, the easy way to correct that is pretend you're in an airplane. I'm down. That is how far down you should be with a windmill. Now, imprint that pattern in your head. I'm coming all the way forwards. Okay? The second thing is imagine when you have that weight up in there, someone's got a rope around your hand or your wrist, and they're pulling your arm between your legs. And that will clean up your windmill in a hurry. It'll make it a perfect windmill and really hit the core and your lat. Let me show you. Press. Turn my feet. Oh, someone has a rope around my wrist and he's pulling me down. Oh wow, I can feel my lat tense. And then, boom, back up. Now I'll show you from the other direction here, okay? So I'm here, feet are turned, everything is good, this quad is locked. And then suddenly, someone's pulling my arm down. It forces me to tense my lat and come down into that nice tight arc and back up. And no one will even know you're doing it. It just looks totally natural. It's really important to do this on your offside. My offside is my left side. So I'm going to clean it, press it, leg locked. Here's where I have a tendency to get a little stuck. So, rope around my wrist. Oh wow, that cleaned it right up in a hurry, and I can really feel that I'm getting a perfect windmill form on that side. Just two things, airplane and rope around the wrist. Those two little tricks will really help your windmill go to that next level.